Alexa, pause music. Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. I wanted to share a bag review. This here is my work slash tote bag. I did purchase this off of the L.L.Bean. What is it? L.L.Bean website. When I tell you, now I see why everybody has the boat tote. Like when I tell you I love this here boat tote, it's made very, very well, okay? Like very well. And if you don't know, order the bag. You can get your name. You can get your initials put on it. You can get your print fonts and lettering for this particular bag. Hey everyone, I wanted to interrupt this portion of the video because guess what, you all, Louisa sent your girl some product, and of course you know I want to share. So here is the box. So before I share what I picked, I wanted to let you know that Louisa is having a holiday sale up to 30% off the website. Spend $175 or more, you will receive a pair of diamond stud earrings. Like what? While supplies last. So after you watch this video, go on and run to Louisa and grab some pieces, y'all, and get y'all diamond studs, because not only do you get a sale and a discount off of different items on their website, you will also get a pair of earrings. So if you purchase something for someone, you can buy them a gift and then you can keep the free gift. You see how that is? That's a win-win, right? A really big holiday sale, y'all. So go on and jump onto that website and check out that sale. I will leave all my links, the items that I picked, all down in the description box. But before I share what I picked, I just wanted to show that I have worked with Louisa a few times. I don't have all the pieces right now, but this is one of the pieces that I have been wearing nonstop, you all. And when I say nonstop, I mean I do not take it off, like to shower, wash dishes, any water I'm touching. Even during the summer, I was wearing this when I was in a pool. And y'all, look at it. It hasn't tarnished, turned, or anything. It didn't turn my wrist green or anything, y'all. When I tell you I stand by Louisa type of person, when I wear jewelry, I do not want to have to take it on and off, because as you can see, I have on nails. And your girl ain't got time to be taking stuff on and off. Earrings were attached to. So just wanted to show you. It say Louisa. So I did pick these here hoops. Yo, when I tell you these here are so beautiful. They do have a little weight to them, but the weight is not where it's heavy on the ear. So I just wanted to let you know. These here are the earrings that I picked. Here's the necklace, you all. And it is kind of long. Take it off because trying to put it back on is going to be way too hard for me. But y'all, here is the necklace. It's like three little circles. One have diamonds and one is just plain gold. Y'all, when I tell you this here is so cute, and I like my necklace to be kind of short, be too long, because you know when I wear my shirt for work, I want it to show. So yeah, y'all, look at that. And here are, let me show you the earrings. I can't take the earrings out because they're not hard to put on. Earrings that I don't have in my collection, and I wanted something different. So I just thought these here were really, really cute and different. And this is really, really different than what I'm used to. Let me see. Rings back on. So I just wanted to share this really quick unboxing. Again, shout out to Louisa for sending your girl some products, because I am hands down an Louisa fan. Been one ever since I received my first jewelry piece. You click on the description box down below. You do have to click like the arrow down below, and all the information, links and everything will be down below. If I have a discount code, that will also be down below as well, because y'all, when I tell you these pieces are so cute, and you do not have to worry about nothing tarnishing, turning, or anything, because I have proof. Because like I said, look at this bracelet. So yeah, y'all, don't forget to click on that description box so we can be twinning up in here. Shout out to Louisa. Mwah. I did just pick the plain Tamika cursive. As you can see, this here is considered a black trimming on the side. I didn't want to get the light color tote for my first tote. Y'all, I love this tote so much, y'all. I did place an order for another one. I did order another tote because, y'all, when I tell you I love this tote so much, I'm going to show you what I have in here. Let's bring it down. All right, so here is the tote. I did get this from Ulta. It's like a blind buy type of thing. Is the tote. So here's the inside. Now this one here, I would love to have an organizer, but I probably won't buy one because I don't need to spend extra money just for an organizer. But I will say this here particular bag will work well with an organizer. But as you can see, my stuff is just tossed in here really quick. Before I share what I have in here, I'll show you that the bottom do not have any feet. Like I said, it's all black. I'm not sure if these are washable. I was looking into maybe throwing it in a wash. You know what? No, because I had a spot on the back and I done with like some dish soap and one of my cleaning cloths, and it went away. So you can take soap and water to clean like little spots on here. So, and I do wear this with my, of course, black jeans. The color transfer is there, but it's not there like that. Like it's not noticeable there. Thank God, because like I said, I do wear this hair bag with black pants, but I don't think this come in dark colors as far as this type of tote. I could be wrong. I can always double check that. But when I purchased this, the only colors I saw were light colors, and the trimming was the colors, not the whole bag. So just keep that in mind. But like I said, I will double check for you all. Really quick, I have my Ole Hendrickson lip balm. I did add the charm and the poof to it, and my Chanel friend that works at Chanel gave me and my Sephora friend some Chanel charms. My cell phone, I still have the 17 Pro Max in the color orange. I have some gum. This gum is about to be gone. I have tissues, y'all. I don't know what it is, but my nose be running like crazy. I have my Ray-Ban Metas. I need to take these out so I can go ahead and charge them. I like wearing them at work, y'all, because I can answer the phone. I can listen to Instagram. I can listen to voice messages if anyone send me some far as text or an actual voice message. Like, I love my Metas at work. They are my absolute favorite. Glasses to wear at work. I have my hand sanitizer, some Bath and Body Works coupons. I didn't know I had these because I didn't know I could have used them during the candle sale. I have a fingernail file because I did get my nails done, and I don't know. She used this on me and she was like, here, you can have it. So my Shiseido sample. Yo, this is so cute, right? This is the peanut by the Charlie Brown and them. It was a lip balm I got from Dollar Tree. I thought this was so cute. They had SpongeBob and this one Charlie Brown or peanut. So my friend was like, girl, get the Charlie Brown peanut one because that one is a classic. But I probably end up getting SpongeBob too because they were only $1. My Prada lipstick. I have coupons, and then if you return at what is it? Kohl's, they give you a 20% off of a one-time use. This is about to expire. Yeah, I have these here coupons. I'm gonna try and use them. They kind of switched it up because now one of the coupons where it said you can receive a free gift, they want you to spend $10 or more. So I have some straws. I have some more tissues. A Snicker. Let me eat a Snicker. A little small Snicker. The one thing about filming, I got stuff everywhere. You hear me? See, the coupon says you have to spend $10. to get the free body wash. I mean, a body product. I mean, it's still not bad, but they switching it up on us because remember, it would be free. You ain't have to buy nothing. You have to take like a damp cloth to clean this out. So y'all, right now I'm carrying my toiletry, Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch. I'm gonna just go through this really quick. So I have my toiletry pouch. I have my gum, suction cup for my iPhone, cuticle oil, hair clip for my hair. I have a lollipop. I have my new rolled lip. Y'all, this one smells so good. Oh my gosh, y'all. I have my hand soap. I have my Chanel card case. My Chanel mirror. I had asked my Chanel friend, are they going to come out with some more mirror colors? She was like, no, she don't think so. Because I was like, oh, I would love to get another color. I have my pill holder. Well, it's not an actual pill holder. It's for fragrance, but that's what I use it for. I have my mints, seat covers, toilet seat covers. I have some cash. I may use this to try that SpongeBob meal at Burger King. Oh, I have my little mini Dior gloss. Another mini Dior lipstick. Ooh, y'all, these, once you eat one, you can't stop. I don't even want to eat it because I don't have them. They at work, y'all. So yeah, y'all, that was everything that I have in this here bag. They hate checking me at work because they like, okay, Tamika, why you got all this stuff? And I'm like, I'm a girly girl, you know, like I carry everything but the kitchen sink. Like, I'm sorry, I do. And they want you to just only have 5 lip products, even if it's not Sephora. And I was just like, I get having 5 Sephora products, but why it has to be a total of 5 things, even hand sanitizer and all that. And I'm just like, look, it's hard for me just to narrow it down to 5 things, y'all. I'm sorry, like it is. And this is what I'm supposed to carry everything in because it needs to be in a clear bag. Keep this little water bottle on handy because, you know, I've been wearing my curly hair. So this helps to keep it, you know, tamed. But y'all, as y'all can see, I carry a lot of stuff, y'all. Like, I don't know. I just been that person that just carry a whole lot of stuff. If it wasn't for the whole Sephora lip product policy, I carry about 20 to 30 lipsticks. Because I have so many that I have in my collection, but I can't carry them to work. So that's why they all stockpiled in my drawer. Because they used to be in, like, my cute cosmetic pouches. But so here's the brand on the back. Like I said, I will link this down below for you all. I'm not sure if it'll be like a discount code attached to it. Because if I can find one, I'll also link it down below. Because y'all, when I tell you I love this bag so much, I just placed an order for the mini version of this. I did want the mini version in a color. The bag into March or February or March. And I'm like, I'm not buying something in November/December and I'm not getting it to February or March. I was like, absolutely not. And plus I had a $15 off coupon. So I ended up ordering the all white or beige and it doesn't have no color trim. So I saw a client come into my store carrying one. And when I tell you I fell in love with that all cream or all white color and she had like a cute bag charm, I'm like, yes, I can't wait till it come, you all, because oh my gosh, I can't wait. Now, of course, once I carry that, I am going to have to definitely downsize. So yeah, but at the moment, this is the one I'm carrying. I'm not sure if I would get a bigger size in this only because I have so many totes and bags from from different brands who gifted me those things. So if I get another boat tote, it would more likely be this size, but just in a different color. It would be nice if they would come out with like spring, summer colors because I would definitely be repurchasing these. I have the Trader Joe's tote. But it's something about this boat tote. I'm in love with y'all. I'm just telling you, I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. I wanted to share a bag review on this hair bag, y'all. If y'all have this hair boat tote, let me know your thoughts down below, because like I said, 10 out of 10. Like I said, I use this as a work tote. You can also use this as a lunch bag, but I have my Stanley lunch bag, so I don't really need to use this as a lunch bag, but you can if you want. Have some made with zippers. Looked into the ones that were that you can zipper. So I say that to say I probably won't purchase the zip tote, because most likely it'll just be unzippered. Yeah, y'all, I'm off today, so I'm just trying to batch film for you all. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Thanksgiving was amazing for you all. My Thanksgiving is quiet because, like I said before, I don't have family here. So it was really quiet in a good way. But like I said, God willing, next year, I am going to try and travel and go back home and be around family. Because, yeah, I work, but where I want to be around family. So, because life is short, and who wants to just work, 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 and then God forbid I'm not here anymore, and it's just like that. I could have spent time with my family, but all I thought about was working, working, working. Because, of course, we got to work to survive and pay bills. But I just feel like I'm going to have to set some time aside to, recharge and refresh being around, family. So I say that to say, God willing, I'm going to try and go back home. I was enjoying this here video. I had to pop in one more time to let y'all know to click on that description box so y'all can check out that Anna Louisa, okay? Y'all got to check out Anna Louisa, because right now she that it girl, okay? Yeah, I got my nails back, y'all. She ate. So, yes, again, shout out to Anna Louisa, and make sure you click on that description box. Y'all, that's it. That's all. So, with that being said, God is good all the time, and all the time, God is good. So, with that being said, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later.